Read this text from paragraph 2. Question number 29. He comes to a weed. It never occurs to him to go around it. No, he must climb it. And he does climb it, dragging his worthless property to the top. Which is as bright a thing to do as it would be for me to carry a sack of flour from Heidelberg to Paris by way of Strasbourg steeple. So effectively what's going on here, the ant is climbing a steeple to carry a sack over it to get to the other side, rather than just going around the building. Effectively, using this as an analogy of the blade of grass. These details convey the central idea in the excerpt by showing that the ant... Okay, this is paragraph 2. This is where the author highlights all the silly, ridiculous things the ant does. This is one of the most ridiculous. Rather than just walking around the blade of grass or the weed, he goes up on top of it and then comes all the way down, like climbing a steeple. So which answer choice matches that idea? Often wastes his strength when working on a task? No. I mean, it is a waste of strength. That's a correct conclusion, but that's not the central idea here. Central idea is how ridiculous this ant is. B, is surprised by the effort he needs in order to move the object. No, there's no surprise by the ant. He just picks up these objects and moves them around, right? Objects that are many times his weight. C, is oblivious to the most practical solution to the problem. So oblivious means has no idea or sense or understanding. So this ant has no sense of the most practical solution, which would simply be to walk around the blade of grass. You know, you have the grass like that. Instead of just walking around it, the ant goes all the way up and then back all the way down. It's crazy. C is the correct answer. D, focuses more on obtaining the object than getting it back home efficiently. No, I mean, the ant does focus a lot on obtaining the object. He definitely does not get it home efficiently. But that's not really the core idea here. Again, we want to figure out how this contributes to the main idea. What is the author doing? The author is showing an example of how ridiculous this ant is. C is the correct answer for 29.